Good morning, everybody. I did the feed up for nature and the feral cat situation. This is what I did for them. But I think that whomever decided to come for dinner, if you see here, that's where we put the feral cat house in our area. They don't want any of this stuff. They don't want to deal with feral cats, dogs, and anything. But let's do the walk up. I'm going to try to make it. There we go. Beautiful, huh? It's a nice day. I've got to replant another shrub. Died. Got to call my fellow out. Hi. Hi. I had another shrub die a year ago as well. Beautiful. Here's the, you see I put some. I don't want to disturb them. They have every right to worry about everything around them. That's what people don't get about feral cats and dogs. That look at the land they get to live on, but it's not. It's not all peaches and cream. You know, it is worrying that there's disease and there's a predator and there's so much more. There are domestic animals that should not be outside, and those are cats and dogs. They shouldn't be. If you think putting your dog outside and you put a heated house, that dogs belong, they're family. They build bonds like family with humans and should be nurtured. Oh, I put extra water in. I don't know what the temperature is going to be today. I think it said 67 or something. I might be wrong. But I put a lot of water and filled everything. Gave some extra peanuts here. There they are. I ran over a little today, but it's worth it. There's a blue jay right in the middle of that. Oh, there he is. Beautiful. I have not seen any ferals this morning, any feral cats, that is. Black cat I haven't seen yesterday or today. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day, and maybe I'll see you later in a little bit. This is Mom Mode. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. I would really appreciate it. Love to see nature intermingling between different species, different animals.